Unfamiliar to most of the world, Meizu is prominent in its homeland of China, where local users have been welcoming the brand's MX, Pro, and M series of handsets. While the former are meant to be the best smartphones Meizu is capable of building, the M series is where the company experiments with delivering the most value possible at a sub $199 price. The M series' third-generation flagship device, the M3 Note, goes all out, promising high-end smartphone features like a metal body, a big display, above-average performance, a competent camera, and superb battery life. Meizu's undertaking surely has us intrigued with its too-good-to-be-true character, and by the end of this review, we'll know exactly how much the M3 Note fulfills the brand's ambitions. Connectivity. The phone has all the bases covered, but US carrier compatibility is a no-go. Although MediaTek has been producing capable modems as of late, the Meizu M3 Note won't shake hands with most networks in the United States. At best, you'll get limited 2G and 3G support, while LTE is out of the question. European and Asia users, though, generally don't have to worry, for the handset supports most GSM, WCDMA, and 4G FDD LTE frequencies in operation. Still, we advise checking with your carrier before mashing the big order button. This aside, the M3 Note is a dual SIM handset, though inserting a microSD card sacrifices one of the slots, and is up to speed with modern Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity standards. There's no support for NFC and FM radio, though, which might be a bummer for fans of mobile payments and radio shows.